Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar said that India's traditional knowledge, thoughts, health and cultural vitality have always received global attention. He was speaking at the National Institute of Traditional Medicine in Belagavi today in Karnataka. He laid emphasis on research in traditional medicine practices.
While serving the humanity at large. But medical profession and those engaged in healthcare, health management, they are taken to be closest to God, closest to godliness. You therefore cannot be mercenaries. Fiscal considerations have to take back stage. Service has to be your primary motto. And those engaged...
An accused named Purli Suting from Tasor Birksur
taken to be
connection with a murder case at
closest to godliness. You therefore cannot be mercenaries.